we are back dito po sa Cormila Leisure Resort and nakikipag party crasher tayo. Later on guys ay hintayin natin medyo magdilim para makita natin yung tinatawag nilang Nights of Lights. Yun guys, we are happy to be back here. Samahan niyo po kami. Let's go! Happy birthday sir! Hello po! O, Rene ring manyaman. Thank you! Hi! Hello! Alright, so ayun guys, this is our table. Look! Grabe namang great crash to, no? Grabing great crash to. So, again, congratulations po sa Cormila family and siyempre kay kina Sir Ron. Alright, so ayun nga guys, if you recall yung first video natin sa Cormila, we stayed here. So ito po ang Jacobo. At my back, of course, is their swimming pool. Ayan po. Isa po sa mga upgrade or development na ginawa po nila dito is I remember yung CR natin, it's entrance niya dito. So what they did, i-renovate po nila ito and then the entrance is actually inside the room. So no need for mga guests natin to come out. So ayun guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Rene. This is the second villa of the 3 dito po sa Cormila. Dito naman guys, merong birthday party ngayon and kasama rin natin sila na magse-celebrate ng Nights of Lights nila. This is the last villa. It's called Nia. Ayan guys, for me personally, I think this villa is perfect for barkada. Parang focused more on the group accommodation. So mas malaki po yung mga accommodation dito. Ang ganda rin ng loob nito guys. So again, if you're interested to check out the video, the link is at the description below or do sa first comment. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Ayan o, ang ganda ng background natin.
Ang ganda ng background.
Christmas feels with galing ng mga
parang walk in the park.
Walk in the park.
Walk in the park.